Hi, in my last video I showed you how to fill up your Zippo lighter. Now I'll show you how to change the stone in it. The stone is the one that makes a spark when you do like this and then make a flame. I'll show you how to change that. If you don't already know it, you don't have to see this video. As before, you take it out of your cover, so you have your clean Zippo lighter. Then you'll take, if you can do it with a nail, or then you can take a screwdriver and take this little screw out, and be careful because there is a spring inside right here, which hold the stone pressed up against the wheel. So you have to get this screw out, and I'll need a screwdriver or a coin. That's beam of what you use. That is too wide. That was made of plastic. I'll take my watch. So when you gotta loosen it up, you can easily use your fingers. And as I said before, be careful for the spring. It's very powerful on new lighters. There's a little thing here from the end. Be careful not to lose it. It's kind of hard to rip out, but don't try. You will carefully put the string aside. Now I got a stone in my lighter. Be careful you don't lose any, I don't know what it's called in English, I am Danish, but the cover what, I'll just call it what it is in my language, vat. So the vat, the beskytter her, protects, sorry, be careful not to lose it. I already got a stone in mine, but there's a little hole in here. There. You'll have to put your stone right in there, and be careful you not put it backwards or something. Then you'll put your spring back inside. Tighten it. Be sure not to tighten it too tight, because then it wouldn't light. But make it as tight as you can. Then you won't have to take it out now and then and do this. Now you can just take it back in your cover. It works perfectly. Thanks for watching my video.